Tired of Chicago's sky-high rents and endless hustle? What if you could snag big city perks at half the price, just 40 miles west? Discover why Aurora IL is exploding as the ultimate hidden gem for savvy movers in 2025. Stick around. You might just pack your bags by the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover those underrated spots that make life feel like a win. Today, we're diving into something special. 9 rock-solid reasons why Aurora, Illinois, stands out as one of the absolute best places to call home near Chicago. If you're dreaming of that sweet spot between urban buzz and suburban ease, or just scouting for your next move in this wild 2025 housing market, this is for you. Aurora isn't just some sleepy suburb. It's the second largest city in Illinois, buzzing with over 180,000 diverse souls, and it's earning rave reviews from families, young pros, and retirees alike. Let's jump right in and see why folks are flocking here faster than you can say Fox River Sunset. Reason 1. Unbeatable affordability that lets you breathe easy. In a world where Chicago's median home prices are pushing past $500,000, Aurora keeps it real with a median home value hovering around $318,000, way below spots like Naperville at $620,000. Rent? You're looking at about $1,660s for a comfy 2-bedroom, which is a steal compared to the Windy City's crush. The overall cost of living sits right at the national average, just 2% above Illinois norms, thanks to lower housing costs that free up cash for the good stuff, like weekend brunches or building that emergency fund. No wonder Niche.com calls it a smart pick for budget-savvy dreamers chasing the American way without the wallet wipeout. Shifting gears to reason 2, a job market that's firing on all cylinders and wide open for opportunity. Aurora's economy is a powerhouse, blending blue-collar grit from its manufacturing roots with white-collar innovation in the Illinois Technology Corridor. Think Caterpillar's legacy mixed with fresh gigs at places like Hollywood Casino, which pumps tourism and jobs into the mix. Unemployment's low, and with median household incomes topping $66,000 above the US average, you've got upward mobility baked in. Over 30% of adults here hold bachelor's degrees, fueling everything from advanced manufacturing to healthcare booms. And get this, events like the Illuminate Career Pathways Fair in October 2025 connect high schoolers straight to local employers, while Congressman Bill Foster's Job Expo at Waubonsie Community College in early October hooks you up with state gigs. If you're job hunting, Aurora's not just stable, it's a launch pad. Now reason 3, that golden proximity to Chicago without the chaos. Perched just 40 miles west along I-88, you're in the city in under an hour via car or the trusty Metra line. Average commutes a breezy 29 minutes. Catch a Cubs game at Wrigley one day, then unwind by the Fox River the next. It's like having the best of both worlds, Chicago's world-class dining, museums, and nightlife on tap. But you get home to quiet streets and no $20 parking fights. Residents rave about this balance. Close enough for adventure, far enough to actually sleep. Reason 4 takes us to the heart of what makes Aurora shine. Its rich history and cultural pulse that feels alive, not stuffy. Dubbed the City of Lights, this place glows with Frank Lloyd Wright gems like the Healy Chapel and Old Second National Bank, plus the Paramount Theatre, now on the National Register of Historic Places, hosting Broadway-caliber shows year-round. Stroll downtown's revitalized core, where the Aurora Historical Society brings the past to life through artifacts and stories from its brewing and corset-making heyday. And the diversity? It's electric. Over 40% Latino, strong Asian and Black communities weaving in festivals like the Fox Valley Folk Music Fest. In 2025, catch the Downtown Alive series with live tunes and food trucks. It's the kind of cultural mashup that turns neighbors into friends over shared empanadas or craft brews. But let's talk families. Reason 5, top-tier schools that set kids up for the long haul. Aurora's got 3 stellar districts: East Aurora, West Aurora, and Caneland, earning above-average marks on great schools, with standouts like Henry W. Cowherd Middle School at 810 for progressive vibes. Student-teacher ratios hover around 24:1, but the focus on STEM and arts keeps things dynamic. Higher ed? Aurora University and Waubonsee Community College crank out grads ready for local jobs, and over 30% of adults here are degree holders. Parents love the mix of public and private options, plus community events that make learning fun. It's no fluke that Aurora ranks high for family friendliness. Your little ones get roots and wings. Reason 6, safety that lets you exhale and enjoy the day-to-day. Don't let the size fool you. Aurora's crime rate clocks in at 549 per 100,000, a whopping 76% below the national average, with violent incidents at just 18.3 versus 22.7 nationwide. Property crimes, down to 23.7 from 35.4. Neighborhoods like the East Side feel like a hug, walkable, well-lit, with community watches and low incidents. Sure, like any city, stay street smart. But stats from crimegrade.org peg the annual cost of crime at $367 per resident, 97 less than the US norm. Families sleep sounder here, and that's priceless. Parks and playtime bring us to reason 7. Outdoor escapes that recharge your soul. With over 100 parks spanning 2,000 acres, Aurora's a green haven. The Fox River Trail alone stretches 40 miles for biking, kayaking, or those golden hour jogs. Phillips Park Zoo delights with free animal encounters, while the John C. Evers Memorial Wetlands whispers peace amid wildflowers. Summers hit a pleasant 74-degree average, perfect for picnics. Even winters, though brisk at 22 degrees, wrap you in that cozy Midwest magic. Events like the Farmers Market, Illinois' longest running, keep it fresh with local peaches and live fiddles. It's not just space, it's sanity in a plugged-in world. Reason 8, a diverse, welcoming vibe that feels like coming home. Aurora's tapestry, Hispanic roots blending with global flavors, sparks everything from taquerias to faux spots downtown. Over 180,000 residents, median age 34, mean millennials and families mingle at block parties or the casino's glow. Reddit threads buzz with friendly neighbors and inclusive events, and Nishi grades it on for diversity. Whether you're raising bilingual kids or seeking your tribe, this place hugs differences tight. No judgment, just joy. Finally, reason 9, a future that's bright and building momentum in 2025. Aurora's not coasting. Downtown's exploding with new eateries, the Hollywood casinos drawing crowds, and workforce initiatives like the new hands-on labs at Waubonsee are churning out skilled talent for auto and tech jobs. Housing's appreciating steadily. Events calendars are packed. Hello, August's virtual job fair. And that suburban-urban blend? It's evolving into something unstoppable. US News nods to it as a top movers pick, and locals echo, it's got heart, history, and horizon. So there you have it, 9 reasons Aurora IL isn't just near Chicago. It's redefining smart living, affordable, employed, connected, cultured, educated, safe, green, diverse, and forward-thinking. If this sparks that relocation itch, drop a comment. Would you move here? Hit like if you're Team Aurora, subscribe for more hidden gems, and I'll catch you in the next one. What's your dream spot? Let's chat below.